Assalamualaikum. How are you everyone? Dear student, I am Nazmul Islam. Today I take your math class because your miss is very sick. So today I take your math class. I hope you are well. I am fine also. Thank you. We start our activities. So you open your math book and page number 116. You know we solve the chapter 11a measurement. So you open your math book page number 116. 116 pencil 2. If Reza walks 54 meters a minute, how many kilometers will he walk in an hour? Solution. We know 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Given Reza walk in a minute 54 meters. He walk in 60 minutes. 60 minutes walk 3,240 meters. But we express the answer in kilometers. So we divide meter by 1000, then we get kilometers. We know 1 kilometer equal 1000 meters. The answer, the decimal get left side in 3 digits, 1 2 3. So 3 decimal 240 kilometer. It's our answer. Then we get page number 120. 120 pencil 3. Open your book 120 page and look pencil 3. A can contain 250 ml of orange juice. When we buy 40 cans of this orange juice, how many liters of orange juice will we have? Solution. Given a can contain 250 milliliter of juice, therefore 4 can contains 250 multiply 40, so 10,000 milliliter of juice. But we express the answer in liter. Here we get milliliter. We know 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. So we divide 10,000 by 1000. So we divide by 1000. So decimal gets left side 1 2 3 digits. 10 decimal 000. But after decimal we keep no zeros. So answer 10 liters of juice. Answer 10 liter of juice. 10 liter of orange juice. Then we solve page 118. 118 pencil 2. 118 pencil 2. Here calculate the following addition and subtraction and express the answer using the unit in the brackets. These brackets we express the answer, the unit in the brackets. So at first 4523 grams plus 3388 grams. Unit gram. At first we add these two numbers. So 45233388, we add 12,434 gram. Express the answer at first kg. We know gram. At first we express in decagram. So we get decagram divided by 10 because 1 decagram equal 10 grams. If we divide 10, you use comma. Therefore 1 digit right side to left side, 1 digit. Here use comma. 4 gram and 1243 decagram. Again we express decagram to hectogram. So we divide by 10. 124 hectogram, 3 decagram, 4 gram. Then we express 124 hectogram to kg. So divided by 10, we get the answer 12 kg, 12 kg, 4 hectogram, 3 decagram, 4 gram. The final answer 12 kg, 4 hectogram, 3 decagram, 4 gram. Number 2. Number 21 kg, 340 gram plus 25 kg, 750 gram. At first we add kg. 21 plus 25, 46 kg. Then we add gram. 340, 750. If we add, the answer get 1090 gram. Then 46 kg we express it gram. So we multiply 1000. 1000 multiply 46,000 gram plus 1090 gram. We add these 2 grams. Then we get 47,090 gram. Then we express the answer in the bracket kg and decagram. Kg and decagram. So gram to decagram we divide by 10. Then 10 we divide by 10. Just 1 0 delete and 1 0 will be delete. So 4709 decagram. Then we express the answer in kg. 1 kg equal 100 decagram. So we divide by 4709 by 100. If we divide 4709 by 100, then we get 47 kg and 9 decagram. 47 kg and 9 decagram. The final answer 47 kg 9 decagram. Then number 3, 8520 gram minus 3490 gram. At first we subtract 2 numbers. Then subtract answer 5030 gram. We express the answer kg, hectogram and decagram. Kg, hectogram and decagram. At first gram to decagram, so we divide by 10. We get 503 decagram. Then decagram to hectogram, then we divide by 10. We get the answer 50 hectogram and 3 decagram, 50 hectogram and 3 decagram. Then we get the hectogram to kg. It also divided by 10. So 5 kg, 0 hectogram and 3 decagram. The answer 5 kg, 0 hectogram, 3 decagram. 4 number 12 kg, 250 gram minus 3280 gram. 12 kg, at first we convert kg into gram, so multiply by 1000. 12,000 5 to 12,250 gram in total. Then we subtract 12,250 from 3280. So here we get 8970 gram. We express the answer kg and decagram. So we express decagram, gram to decagram. So divided by 10, we get 897 decagram. Then we express the answer in kg. Decagram to kg, it divided by 100. If we divide 897 divided by 100, we get 8 kg 97 decagram. 8 kg 97 decagram. The final answer 8 kg 97 decagram. Now pencil 3. How many students of 30 kgs are necessary to make a weight equal to a car of 1.5 metric tons? Given weight of a car 1.5 ton or metric ton, it's are same. We express metric ton into kg. We know 1 metric ton equal 1000 kg. So we multiply 1.5 into 1000. So the decimal goes to right 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So the answer, here the answer 1500 kg. Given 3 kg weight is equal to 1 student. Therefore 1 kg weight, unitary method. Therefore 1 kg weight equal to 1 by 30 student. Therefore 1500 kg, 1 into 1500 divided by 30. We divide 1500 divided by 30. We get 50. So 50 students. Final answer 50 students. So 50 students weights to same weights to equal to a car that's weight 1.5 metric tons. Next, we solve page number 120. We solve page number 120, pencil 2. 120 pencil 2. Calculate the following numbers. It's 3280 milliliter plus 3649 milliliters. At first we add these two numbers. We get 5932 milliliters. Express the numbers liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. It's a not decaliter, it's a deciliter. It's a deciliter. Correction. deciliter. So at first milliliter to centiliter divided by 10, we get 593 centiliter and 2 milliliter. Then centiliter to deciliter divided by 10, we get 59 deciliter, 3 centiliter and 2 milliliters. Last, deciliter to liter, we get 10. Sorry, we divided by 10. So we get 5 liter, 9 deciliter, 3 centiliter and 2 milliliter. Final answer. 2 number 21 liter, 540 milliliter, 1200 liter, 12 liter, 625 milliliter. At first we convert these two numbers milliliter. So look at this, 21 liter and 12 liter, we add 33 liters, and 540 milliliter and 625 milliliter, we add 1165 milliliter. Then we convert liter into milliliter, so we multiply 33 by 1000, we get 33,000 plus 1165 milliliters. We add these two numbers, so we get 34,165 milliliters. Then we express liter and centiliter. At first we express centiliter. Centiliter. So milliliter divided by 1000, we get 34 liters and 165 milliliter. We express 165 milliliter into centiliter, so we divided by 165 by 10, we get 16.5 centiliter. 16.5 centiliter. The final answer 34 liter 60.5 centiliter. 3 number 852 liter minus 349.8 liters. All units are liters, but here decimal. So at first we subtract from 852 349 decimal 8, we get 502.2 liter. Then we express it kiloliter, just 1 unit kiloliter. We know 1 kiloliter equal 1000 liter. We know 1 kiloliter equal 1000 liter. So 502.2 divided by 1000, we get our answer. The decimal gets left side 3 digit 1 2 3 here. Now the answer 0.5022 kiloliter. Final answer. Next one, 4 number 325 centiliter minus 12.5 centiliter. At first we subtract it. 325 minus 12.5, we get 312.5 centiliter. Then we express the answer liter and milliliter. At first we express the answer in milliliter. Centiliter get to milliliter, we multiply by 10, because 1 centiliter equal 10 milliliters. So the answer here, the answer 3125 milliliter. Now we express it liter. We know 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. So 3125 milliliter divided by 1000, we get 3 liter and 125 milliliter. 3 liter and 125 milliliter. The final answer 3 liter 125 milliliter and 2 answer liter and milliliter. So 3 liter and 125 milliliter. Now we solve pencil 3 120 page pencil 3. Here a can contain 250 milliliter of orange juice. When we it solved at first we solve it. Now we get the solution of page number 121 exercise page. You open the page 121 exercise page. So we solve first math. Raju's height is 1.35 meter and his brother height is 9.6 decameter. How much is the difference in their height? Write in the centimeter. Their difference we express in centimeter. Now Raju's height is 1.35 meters and the brother height is 9.6 meters. At first we express decameters into meters, so we divide by 10, so 0.96 meter. Then their difference of height 0.39 meters. We express 0.39 meters into centimeters. We know 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. Then we multiply by 100. The answer 390 centimeters. 2 number. A tailor has 375 centimeter of cotton cloth and wants to make 15 shirts from it. How many centimeter can he use for one shirt? A tailor has 375 centimeter of cloth. She took to make 15 shirt cloth will be used 375 decameter. Then one shirt he use 375 divided by 15, 25 decameters of cloth. We express decameter, it's not decameter, decimeter. We express decimeter into centimeter, so we multiply by 10, 250 centimeter. The answer 250 centimeter. Reza walk 45 minutes. 3 number. Reza walk 45 meters of a minute and Mina walks 80 centimeter in a second. Who can faster? Reza walks in a minute 45 meters. Mina walks in a second 80 meters. She walks in 60 seconds in 80 multiply 60 4800 centimeters. We divide 100 centimeters into convert meter, divide by 148 meters. So Mina walks in a minute 48 meters. 48 meters greater than 45 meters. So Mina walk fast in a minute. Next 4 number. 4 number say Latif wants to market and bought 3.5 kg rice, 8 kg of vegetables and 2400 kg of meat. How many kilogram of items he buy? So Latif went to a market and buy rice 3.5 kg. It convert into gram, multiply by 1000, 3500 grams. Vegetables 8 hectogram, it convert to gram, so multiply by 10, so 800 grams. Our meat already express gram also, 2400 grams. Then we add 6700 grams, then we express 6700 grams in kg, so divided by 1000, 6.7 kg. Final answer 6.7 kg. 5 number, a book weight 124 grams. How many kilograms will be if there are 80 books? The solution, total weight of sorry 5 numbers, do yourself, your miss, tell me 5 number, do yourself. So 6 number, there are 8 peoples and their total weight is 451.2 kg. What is the average weight of hectogram of these 8 peoples? Total weight of 8 people is 451.2 kg. Average is the weight of the people divided by 8. Here divided by 8, so answer we get 56.4 kg, but we express it hectogram. We know 1 kg equal 10 hectogram, so multiply it, because kg to hectogram we express in multiply by 10, so multiply by 10, the answer 564 hectogram. 564 hectogram. 7 number, there were 75 centiliter of oil in a bottle. How many liters of oil would be left in the bottle is Shanti use 180 milliliter of it? So in a bottle there were 70 centiliter of oil. At first we express in milliliter, multiply by 10, 750 milliliters. In a bottle the oil 750 milliliters, Shanti use 180 milliliters. Subtraction, the left in the bottle 570 milliliter, we express milliliter in liter, so milliliter to liter, so divided by 1000, therefore the answer 0.57 liter of oil. Final answer. 8 number, a can contain 350 milliliter of mango juice. How many liters of mango juice there will be if there are 24 cans? A can contain 350 milliliter of mango juice, therefore 24 can multiply 350 multiply 24, therefore we get 8400 milliliters, but the answer expressed in liter, so 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter, so divided by 1000, the answer 8.4 liter of juice. The final answer 8.4 liter of juice. Number 9, a family used of a tank of 20 liter drinking water in 8 days. In average, how many deciliter of water did they use a day? The answer given, a family used up a tank in 8 days 20 liters drinking water. In the average, they use a day 20 divided by 8. The answer 2.5 liter, but the answer expressed in deciliter. So 25 we know liter expressed to deciliter, multiply by 10, 2.5 multiply by 10, therefore 1 liter equal 10 deciliter. The answer 25 deciliter, decimal gets to left to right one digit, so 25 deciliter drinking water. Answer, final answer 25 deciliter drinking water. That's all today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.